Eric can join us right now with more on this. Jonathan Greenblatt, Anti-Defamation League CEO and National Director. And why don't we just take a full step back for just a moment to explain how a lawsuit like this would even work?
Sure.
Given that we're talking about suing countries and the ability to collect, if you will, by its very nature is almost, I don't want to say impossible, but nearly so.
So 1976, the Congress passes the U.S. Foreign Sovereigns Act, which entitles these different countries to diplomatic immunity, except in the cases where there are state sponsors of terror. So countries are on a list that's established by the U.S. government if they are determined to be state sponsors of terror organizations. And that list includes countries like, it's included many over the years. Right now, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and also Cuba is on that list. So in 2015, the U.S. government established a fund, the U.S. Victims of State-Sponsored Terror Fund. It is comprised of monies that have been, they're like seized assets, fines levied, et cetera. So there's no U.S. taxpayer dollars involved. So what we did yesterday at ADL with the law firm of Crowell and Mooring is we filed in federal court a lawsuit on behalf of Americans who were attacked, wounded, or killed in the attack on 10/7. And what we're going to prove is that Iran, North Korea, and Syria were complicit in the Hamas attack because they provided material resources, financing, or actually training to the terror organization.
And what's the just from a practical perspective, what's the process, the legal process that this will go through?
Well, we filed in court. It's not easy to serve them. Right. So I can't just walk up to Khamenei and hand him papers. That takes a few months to do through channels. And then we're going to have to make our case in front of a judge. It's not a jury trial, so we'll be seen in front of a judge who will look at the evidence. Now, it's very possible that, Ayatollah Khamenei can send a defense attorney. Unlikely to happen, Andrew. So in reality, we will probably be presenting our case
without a defense,
without them filing an official defense. And the judge will evaluate the materials and then, I believe, find in our favor.